How to share phone screen and control it. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search for TeamViewer Quick Support. Install this app in one phone. After you have installed, open the app and then click on Agree and Continue. Then, your ID will be shown in here. Simply copy your ID. After you have done that in another phone, go to Play Store and download TeamViewer Remote Control. After this app is installed, open the app. After you open the app, at the bottom click on Agree and Continue. Then create an account or sign in. After you have done that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply paste the ID you copied earlier. After that, press on Remote Control and you'll be able to control another phone. This is how to share phone screen and control it. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.